What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my sister's August Boxycharm base box. Now, I already know what's in this box because she just wanted me to see, and so I already know what she got and also what she's giving me. So I'm going to show you guys. I think this was a really good box, and she agreed. I think this is one of her favorite ones so far. And after I finish the unboxing, I'm going to be doing a quick eyeshadow look, and it usually takes me about an hour to do these, so I'm going to try to do this one in 10 to 15 minutes.
Barely.
We're going to see how that goes because for some reason it just takes me forever, and I really don't want it to take that long. I want to get, cute looks in like 15 minutes. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know what's in my hair. I'm actually doing a gel battle right now. And it is the video that won the poll that I put out. So I did a battle between the Camille Rose Curl Maker and the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, something like that. This is only day one, and so far I'm loving both sides. And I feel like they're actually giving me two different wash and go vibes right now. Like the Camille Rose one is more defined and it's more shrunken, and I feel like the Uncle Funky's Daughter one is more elongated, less defined, but it's like got less frizz in the Camille Rose side. So I just feel like both of them are popping right now. I'm gonna see how long they both last, and if they both last up to like 6-7 days, then both of the gels are winners to me. So this is a little sneak peek into the battle. So let me know down below in the comments which side you think is which and which product you think is gonna win. So do you have a favorite already? Is it the Camille Rose or is it the Uncle Funky's? Alright, now it's time to get into the unboxing. And there was no card, so I'm just gonna put the prices on the screen. The first product inside the box is this Morphe I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. And this is what it looks like. On the back it says 4 brushes for a little pick-me-up. What? 4 brushes for a little pick-me-up. That's what it says. Oh, these babes, just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection includes an oval shadow brush, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. So my sister was really happy to get these brushes, and she is going to be keeping these. Next is one of the products she's going to be giving to me, and it is this Big Fat Liner Kohl Marker Pen, and it is by Rockins. This is what it looks like. And this is how the pen itself looks. It looks really like fine, like it's gonna draw a really neat line, a really neat wing. So I'm gonna give this a try today. The next product is another one I'm gonna be using for my eyeshadow look today, and it is a Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the colors look like, and they are so pretty. I really want to use the blue sky, the aqua, the blue violet, the wild orchid, copper, rose gold. I want to use all of these gorgeous shades. I've never tried any products from Violet Voss, so I'm excited to try this palette out. And I actually have a little surprise when it comes to that, so I'm going to tell you guys about that in a few minutes. The next product is the product that my sister was the most excited about, and it is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's supposed to conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. So, and she got the color Chestnut. So this is what the product looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the actual product looks like. It says it's infused with coconut water, which aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Alpine rose, which helps empower skin's health and resilience. Hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. It says it's hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, and non-comedogenic. Cover, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer / makeup hybrid. The ultimate multi-use formula for a modern and hydrated photo-ready complexion. Fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you're born this way. The last product is another product that she's giving to me, and it's the Clarins Paris 01 Velvet Lip Perfector, and it is in the color Velvet Nude. This is what the packaging looks like. It says it has a velvety matte color, it has hold, it also has a blur effect and it smooths lips. It's got an ultra light creamy texture and extreme comfort. It says it cares for your skin, it's plant enriched, and it gives lip hydration. So that sounds really nice. I'm really big on lip moisturization. I'm like obsessed with having lip balm with me at all times. So something like this sounds right up my alley. This is what the actual product looks like. And the only thing that I'm not sure about is this color. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this. So if I don't end up liking it, I'm gonna use another lip product on my lips. Probably one of my new Beauty Bakery mini lippies. I wanna see how those look. So if I don't like this, I'm gonna try one of those. Alright, that was the end of the unboxing. And if you want to purchase Boxycharm, the base box is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. There are other boxes. There's Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe, which both cost more, and there's stipulations and all that I don't really know about, so I can't really tell you about those. But if you want to start with the base box, that's how much it is. I think the premium box is $35 if I'm not mistaken, and I don't know how much Luxe is at all. It might be $50. I don't know if it's also $35. I really don't know. But I will link Boxycharm's website down below in the description. You guys can definitely check them out. My sister and I are actually thinking about getting premium together so we can try it out and see what we get. My girl Jackie Naturals, who I'm always talking about on here, she does get all 3 boxes, so make sure you check her out if you want to know more about those. I'm going to link her channel and a few of her Boxycharm unboxings down below in the description, and be sure you check her out and tell her that Curly Tail sent you. And if you want to see more Boxycharm base box unboxings, be sure to check out my girl Shirley Ann. She unboxes the base box on her channel as well, and I'm going to link her channel and some of her unboxings down below in the description too. Okay, now it's time for my hopefully quick makeup look. And before we get into that, let's just get into the surprise. So I told you guys I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, which looks like this. But my sister also got the Essentials palette in another one of her Boxycharms. So I'm going to use both of them. So I have the Essentials and the Essentials 2. This is what the colors look like of the Essentials. They are really pretty. There's also another like bluish green that is gorgeous. I want to use this plum berry and this pink for sure. And maybe even this yellow color, because that is gorgeous. For this eye look, I'm mainly going to be using my fingers. I got some inspiration from my girl Gigi Loves Beauty too. She just did a makeup look with these shimmers. I can't remember the brand. I think it's like Terra Moon or something like that. She mainly used her fingers in that video, and I think maybe she used one brush, and she got a gorgeous look. So I'm really hoping that I can get something like that. I don't have that palette, but I'm hoping that Violet Voss can give me something similar. I'm going to link Gigi's channel and that video down below in the description, and you guys should definitely check it out and subscribe to her if you haven't already. For mascara, I just found 2 mascaras on clearance at my grocery store, so I'm going to be using those. And they are the Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot Tinted Primer, which looks like this. And this one is in the color black. And the other mascara I'm going to use is the CoverGirl Peacock Flare, which looks like this. It's got really pretty packaging. And this one is in the color Jet Black. And like I said earlier, I'm going to attempt to use this Clarins lip perfector on my lips, but if that doesn't work, I'm gonna go in with one of my Beauty Bakery Cake Pop Lippies. These are mini lipsticks, and I showed them in my Ulta haul where I got a bunch of stuff on sale from Beauty Bakery, Curlsmith, and Not Your Mother's. Well, not just me, my sister really got the bunch of stuff on sale, and I just picked up a couple things because I am on punishment. I'm gonna link that video down below in the description for anyone who hasn't seen it. And I got those lipsticks in the color Cherry Bomb and Peanut Butter Luster, and they look like this. This is what the lippies look like. They're so cute, absolutely adorable. They have cake pops all around them. I thought they were lollipops at first, but it's Beauty Bakery, so they're cake pops. Peanut Butter Luster, Cherry Bomb. Okay, this is the final eyeshadow look. I'm about to go in with some liner and mascara just to finish it off. But I'm really liking it so far. I think this is the boldest I've gone so far, trying all these colors, but I think it turned out nice. I don't know. I was really trying to do what Gigi did. Hers turned out amazing. Definitely check out her video. Okay, I just finished with my wings, my little baby wings, and I feel like it was really easy to draw them with this pen, so this pen is a winner for me. I'm definitely here for it. Okay, this is the final eye look. And this is how it looks behind my glasses. I think the colors are popping. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be at home all night, but I think it looks really cute. When I was about 75% done with this look, I realized that I never put on any kind of eyeshadow primer. So I feel like these Violet Boss shades are amazing because they're popping with no primer. I feel like they would be popping even more with primer. I was not supposed to forget that this time. I don't know how I did that, but it was too late, so I just had to go with it, and next time I am not forgetting. I'm just gonna have it right in front of my face before I even get started. Alright, now it's time to try this Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and we're gonna see if this color is gonna work for me. So when you unscrew the top, there's a nice like soft tip where the lip product comes out, so here we go. It's gonna be a no for me, dog. I mean, I feel like I can mix it with other things, but on its own, that color does not work for me. I'm gonna go on top of it with this Morphe lip gloss in the color Froze. I really love this lip gloss. I use it all the time. It's such a pretty color, and I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. So maybe it can help fix this lip perfector. No, it's not helping. I'm gonna try to add a liner now as my last attempt to help with this lip perfector color. And I can't remember what brand this is from or what the color is called, but my sister got this in a Boxycharm as well. It's like basically like a chocolate brown. I feel like that helped a little bit, but I still don't like it. I'm gonna go back in with this liner, and then I'm gonna try to mix the lip perfector with the Peanut Butter Luster Beauty Bakery Lippy and see if I can get kind of close to a nude for me that would work with this eye look. I feel like I shouldn't go too dark with my lipstick since my eye look is so vibrant. So I'm gonna try to tone it down a little bit, but still have a little bit of color. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my gloss back on and call it a day. Okay, I don't really like that either. I feel like it's washing me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off and just put my gloss on.